Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some fine beef strips with me today. I'm going to make it into stir fry with bell pepper using black pepper. So I got this online. For those who are interested, you can get it. I'll put the order link in the caption below, video caption. And then I have cut some bell pepper, 3 different colors here. Cut it into similar strips also, so that the cooking process can be more evenly done. Then we are going to marinate the beef strip first. First, we'll give it a little bit of light soy sauce, some black pepper powder, a bit of dark soy sauce, a bit of oyster sauce, some water, some cornstarch, you can put in some egg white, yeah. I don't mind to give it a little bit more cornstarch here. And I'll give it some oil. This oil will help you to make it easier to pass through oil later. So I'm going to pass through the beef with some oil here. Let's heat it up. The oil doesn't have to be very hot, yeah. See, it's actually very easy to pass through the oil because I added oil just now in the bowl. Give it a few stir. Once you start to see the beef started to turn pinkish color, you can actually take it out. You don't want to make it cook here, you just want to make it like half cooked. Alright, started turning color. Now we can actually take it out and set it aside. See? Alright, something like this. Right, so we used back some of the oil just now that we used to pass through the beef. So this has already the beef flavor. I like this beef base a lot because it doesn't have gamey smell at all. Very nice. Now we can actually put in the bell pepper. And now we can give it some flavoring here. We'll give it some water. A bit of light soy sauce. Basically, it's what we put inside the beef just now also. Some oyster sauce. Okay. Some black pepper. Oh, if you want to give it more flavor, let me go and get something else. I forgot. I'm putting in some butter. Yeah. This will add flavor to this dish for sure. A bit of dark soy sauce here. Okay, just a bit enough. Oh, it's having a little bit of flu. Right, the butter will help to emulsify the broth, yeah? Wow, very fragrant. Let me find some salt. We'll give it a bit of salt here. Okay, just a little bit of salt. And then, almost done. Put in the beef. Give it a few stir and it is done. That's how simple it is. You don't want to overcook your beef, okay? So here's Appa very simple black pepper stir fry beef with bell pepper. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.